So today I will going to use free range pork, one small packet, and some banana prawn, and fresh shiitake mushroom, fresh one, and capsicum, and celery, little bit celery, and fresh pick up from the garden, spring onion, and chive. So today I'm going to make pork and banana plum dumpling. So very yummy. So let's get prepared. So cut in the middle, and then you hold probably. So take out skin. So let's cut a small piece. So today I'm going to show you how to chop the pork mince. So ordinary we don't have a machine, we have to use knife to chopping. So pork mince or beef mince. So nowadays very lucky got a food processor. So now I'm going to show you when you're cooking dumpling, whatever you make something, chopping pork mince. So you can do that. So So pork nearly chopped. So who has a little fun, you can do at home. So if you running like a horse running, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can see like that. From beginning start like this slowly. So we are now at the prawn. So horse really tired now. But meat is chopped. Yeah. So pork mince and prawn chop together, beautiful. So now add the fresh shiitake mushroom, same cut small. So you cut a little bit celery. Just a small quantity. Half tablespoon salt. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. So I got the 5 spice, just a little bit 5 spice, not too much. pepper, black pepper. So 3 tablespoons olive oil, some oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon, now mix properly. So make sure mix really well. So this is good. You see a lot running stick together. So that's why homemade dumpling is very good. You're chopping yourself, meat, prawn. So gonna be very delicious. So the basic dumpling dough, just water, salt, oil, and flour. So now add the salt, oil, mix a little bit first. So cut the spot like that. So So this is a normal basic one, dumpling wraps. So now we use these dumpling wraps to make a prawn dumpling. So put in the middle, so close in the middle. That's a simple way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Push a little bit in. Seal. So that's dumpling. So you can do other way as well. So you can close from here, see a little bit close, and fold. So basically you can do this way. Also can. So you seal it. So if you want to. So that's another way. You can steam, use the way, or you cook with the pan as well. So this one is similar like a wonton dumpling. So you just seal properly and close together. and make sure seal. So this is like dumpling, wonton dumpling. So you can cook it with the soup. Close. And fold. So either way, so you can choose whatever easy for you. So the pan is not stick pan, easy to cook dumpling. Just place put in. So now you add some water. And close with the lid. It's 1.5 minutes. So once water evaporates, it's ready. So the dumplings are cooked. So you can see a golden dumpling. And the coal fire small. So you can sear another side, little bit also can. So dumplings are cooked. Beautiful. See, crispy, inside the nice juicy. Chopped very fine. So some chili. So this is homemade chili sauce. So mix. ABC sauce. Just a little bit. Some lemon juice. So now you can chop a little bit coriander for dumpling. So you mix, smell very good.